Hi there and welcome. In this video I'm going to paint a tree with red foliage in the light of a pink moon. Follow me step by step. First, paint the canvas with a mixture of white, ultramarine blue and a little black. This will be the color of the sky. Then paint the ground with lighter and darker grays. Now use a darker gray to paint a small hill where the tree will stand. Now it's time to paint the moon. Paint the first layer with a mixture of pink and white. After it is completely dry, paint the light effect around it with the same color. Use a little paint, wipe the excess of the brush like I do. Now it's time to work out the details. Paint the lighter spots first, using a mixture of white, pink and red. Then add red, and at the very end add a little black. Now paint the brightest details with a mixture of white and a very little pink. When you are done, paint the tree. First, paint the trunk and some branches with dark gray. Now paint the foliage. Here too you have to work in several layers. Paint the darkest layer first, this will provide the shaded part of the foliage. For this, use a mixture of black and red. For the next layer, mix a little more red. In this way, we gradually move from the shadow to the better lit parts. Then mix in more red. And at the very end, use only red. As a finishing touch, paint some thin branches between the foliage. I really hope you enjoyed this video or found it useful. If you did, please like it, leave me a comment down below and share the video to get it to more people. Thanks for watching, see you in the next painting video.